you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. So in today's video, you guys, can you believe it? Okay, fall is literally 1 week away. It's September 22nd. That's when fall starts, and I'm ready for the cozy vibes. I'm ready for the hot chocolates and the sweaters and the boots. So on today's video, I'm going to share with you how I decorated my front way entry using affordable items, and I'm going to share where everything's from with prices. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. All right, you guys, so the first thing we're going to do is clean up this entryway. We're going to sweep and just move everything out the way.